Imagine cruising down the highway in a Lamborghini, the wind in your hair, a stunning partner by your side, and the sweet taste of success on your lips. Picture yourself living a life of luxury, surrounded by the trappings of wealth, fast cars, beautiful people, and an endless flow of cash. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a lifestyle that's within your reach. So if you've got dreams of making it big, then stick around. Stay tuned till the end to discover a secret bank that could flip your money for more. Now snap back to reality. You're in your 30s, and that dream life feels like a distant mirage. A far cry from the glitz and glamour of fast cars and clear water beaches. What you see instead are bills piling up on the kitchen table, 9-to-5 job that's more like an 8-to-6, and a bank balance that's barely making it from one payday to the next. Yeah, it's the real deal, the hustle, the grind. It's about making ends meet, not making it rain. It's about surviving, not thriving. You're not in a music video, you're in the middle of life, and it's not always as glamorous as it seems on the screen. But here's the kicker. Those dreams you had in your 20s, they're not dead. They're just deferred. And it's time to bring them back to life. But what if I told you that you could still turn things around? Intrigued? Keep watching. Thanks for sticking around. Now remember that little secret I hinted about? The secret bank to flip your money for more? Well, it's called B.A.S.K Bank. That's right. B.A.S.K Bank. They offer a high APY for your money and you'll see huge profits. Start reviving those deferred dreams today with B.A.S.K Bank. Buckle up because it's time to embark on a journey to financial freedom and a life filled with riches. Now let's get down to the blueprint of how you can stack up wealth in your 30s. First off, savings. Yeah, I know it's that old trick your grandma preached about, but guess what? Granny was right. Start by stashing away at least 20% of your income. Think of it as paying your future self. Next, let's talk about investing. You don't have to be a Wall Street whiz to make your money work for you. Look into stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cryptocurrency. Diversification is the name of the game, my friends. Let's not forget about passive income. This is money that rolls in while you're chilling on the couch watching the game. Royalties, dividends, rental income, these are just a few ways to earn without lifting a finger. Now on to entrepreneurship. If you got a killer idea or a skill that's in demand, why not turn it into a business? Start small, grow organically, and remember, every mogul started somewhere. But here's the real secret sauce: compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger. The sooner you start, the bigger your snowball gets. And finally, never stop learning. The wealthiest people are always expanding their knowledge and skills. Read books, attend seminars, take online courses. Knowledge is power, and in this case, power translates to dollars. Before we wrap up, let's talk about lifestyle. It's easy to get caught up in the fast life, especially when you start seeing those dollar signs. But remember, wealth isn't just about the flash and bang. It's about securing a comfortable future for yourself and your loved ones. So live within your means, avoid unnecessary debt, and keep your eye on the prize. Remember, the journey to wealth is not a sprint, but a marathon. Patience and perseverance are key. So lace up those sneakers, take a deep breath, and let's hit the road to riches together. But brace yourself, because the road to wealth is not without its fair share of potholes and roadblocks. Just like a catchy hip-hop tune, the journey to riches has its own rhythm, and it's not always a smooth ride. First up, we've got market volatility. The economic landscape is a lot like a wild roller coaster ride. One day you're at the top, feeling like the king of the world, and the next you're plunging down, gripping the edge of your seat. It's unpredictable and can be downright scary. But remember, the key to mastering this ride is not to panic. Keep your eyes on the prize and your hands on the wheel. Next, we have the ever-present danger of financial scams. These are like the wolves in sheep's clothing of the financial world. They promise quick riches, but all they're really after is your hard-earned cash. Be smart, do your research, and never put all your eggs in one basket. Trust your instincts, and if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Now let's talk about personal setbacks. Whether it's a job loss, a health issue, or a personal crisis, life has a way of throwing curveballs at us. These setbacks can feel like a punch in the gut, derailing our plans and shaking our confidence. But it's important to remember that it's not about how hard you fall, but how quickly you get back up. Lastly, there's the challenge of maintaining discipline and focus. It's easy to get distracted by the glitz and glamour of the fast life. But remember, wealth is not just about flashy cars and strip clubs. It's about financial stability, freedom, and peace of mind. So keep your eyes on the prize, stay disciplined, and remember why you started this journey in the first place. However, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. Stay resilient and you'll come out stronger. Because in the end, it's not just about the destination, but the journey and the lessons learned along the way. Now, here's the secret you've been waiting for. The ultimate bank to keep your money and watch it grow. It's not about the vaults, the shiny logos, or the fancy offices downtown. No, it's all about the money, baby. It's about making your money work for you. You see, the best bank is not a place, it's a strategy. It's about knowing where to put your money to maximize your return. It's about understanding the game, the rules, and the players. It's about playing chess, not checkers. You've heard of traditional banks, right? They're cool, they're safe, they got your grandma's savings locked up tight, but let's be honest, the interest rates they offer are laughable. They're not going to get you that dream life. So, where should you put your money instead? The stock market, real estate, gold, Bitcoin? All viable options, but they come with their own risks and require a certain level of knowledge and experience. So, here's the secret. The ultimate bank to keep your money is a combination of these options. It's about diversifying your portfolio. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket. Invest in stocks, yes, but don't forget about real estate. Invest in gold, sure, but also consider cryptocurrencies. The key is to spread your money around to hedge your bets. That way, if one investment goes south, the others can still keep you afloat. But remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn. It's not enough to just throw your money at different investments. You have to understand them, you have to study them, you have to be involved. And most importantly, you have to stay consistent. The road to wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time to build a substantial portfolio, but with the right strategy and the right mindset, you can get there. Remember, the right bank can be a game changer in your wealth-building journey. Choose wisely. So are you ready to trade your old life for a life of wealth, glamour, and endless possibilities? If you've made it this far, then the answer is probably a resounding yes. But remember, the journey to fortune isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not just about the glitz and glamour, the fast cars, the beautiful women, the clear water beaches. These are just the icing on the cake. The real reward is the journey itself. The hustle, the grind, the late nights and early mornings, the triumphs and the setbacks. Let's recap what we've discussed. We started with a reality check. We confronted the current situation. This isn't about sugarcoating the truth or selling you a pipe dream. It's about laying the groundwork for real, lasting change. Next, we laid out a plan, a roadmap to wealth in your 30s. We didn't promise you a get-rich-quick scheme, but a solid, practical strategy that requires discipline, persistence, and a burning desire to succeed. Then, we tackled the obstacles, the roadblocks that stand between you and your financial goals. We didn't shy away from the hard truths. We faced them head-on, because overcoming obstacles is a part of the journey. It's what shapes you, what molds you into the person you need to become to handle wealth and success. We also shared the ultimate secret, the secret of where to keep your money, the secret bank that can help you flip your money for more. This isn't about hoarding wealth, but about making your money work for you. Now it's your turn to take action, to step up to the plate and chase your dreams. Remember, the road to wealth is paved with choices. Every day you have to choose to hustle, to grind, to keep pushing forward, even when the odds are stacked against you. Don't let fear hold you back. Don't let doubt creep in. Keep your eyes on the prize and remember why you started this journey in the first place. Remember the life you want to live, the person you want to become. Love to all of you for wanting to escape the matrix and get rich. Don't forget to subscribe for daily content on financial life hacks. Like, comment, and we'll personally get back to you with any FAQs. Remember, your journey to wealth starts now. Thanks for sticking around. Remember that secret bank we mentioned earlier that can flip your money for more? Allow us to formally introduce you to B.A.S.K Bank. A financial institution that's not just about holding your money, but about making it grow. With their high annual percentage yield APY offer, your money isn't just sitting idle, it's working, it's growing, it's multiplying. Imagine waking up to see your money has grown overnight while you were sleeping. That's the power of B.A.S.K Bank. And the potential for huge profits? It's not a myth, it's a reality that many are already living. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take that step, to make that leap. Start your journey to wealth with B.A.S.K Bank today. The road to wealth is paved with informed decisions, and choosing B.A.S.K Bank could be the game changer you've been waiting for.